got us a decent fish here. Feels pretty good. It's not making big runs, but it's got a good weight to it. Out here early in the morning. Got a little north wind today. Here we go. Came out here straight to business, trying to get maybe our limit of reds early before it gets too hot. My guess is this is a redfish. Feels like it. It's fighting like a redfish. So we'll see. Hasn't really surfaced yet, but this guy's pretty heavy. Made a decent run, first run. Here we go. So yeah, it's gotta be a redfish. These guys are strong, man. They are strong. And don't give up very easy. Really close to the kayak, but I still haven't seen it. Just playing it right. Don't want to rush it. Let me put this other rod up. Oh, I'm a mess this morning. There we go. We're ready for whatever this is. I just saw it. It just surfaced. It is a redfish. Yeah, guys. I didn't even do an intro. Yeah, I guess this will be the intro. We got fish on. Good redfish. Like I said, I didn't mess around. Went straight to business. Got on the spot and got a redfish right away. I didn't want to wait. Yeah, this guy is not giving up. Maybe I should tighten my drag just a bit, a couple clicks. Alright, let's go. Where are you going, buddy? This should be done. Oh yeah, this is a good size red. Let's get the net ready. Seems like he's hooked pretty good. Here we go. It's right close. Oh, no. I thought he was ready to go. This is a beautiful redfish, boys. Beautiful, beautiful redfish. Alright, he's done. Get in the net, buddy. Head down, swim in the net. So guys, we got our fish, redfish here. Like I said, I didn't want to wait too late. Trying to get a quick limit this morning. Just in case you're wondering, it is August, and August here in Texas is the hottest time of the year. So right now it's still early, around 8ish. So we got our first red, and hopefully we'll get our quick limit this morning before the sun start cooking me. Good start. Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. Let's put them up. Got another one, guys. Another one. Oh. When we get close here, we might go crazy. Now starting getting a little heavier. There's another run. Yep. Now he's awake. I think it's another redfish, guys. It's another redfish. Yeah, it's definitely a redfish. Might be shy to on the slot, but I don't really know until we measure it. Oh no, I think it's just a slot. It looks so small in the water at first, but once they get out in the water, they're actually bigger than they appear in the water. But let's go see, try and go ahead and land this guy. It's number 2. If it's a keeper to be our number 2 slot. I think it is. We gotta measure it though. Don't look very big. Let's take this hook first before I get my hand on there. Alright, hook is out. Quick measurement. Hopefully this is a slot, so it'll be number 2. Let's see. Easy fish. Oh yeah. Definitely a slot. 21-inch redfish. 21 inch. So that's number 2. 2 redfish so far within 15 minutes from when I got here. So like I said, I came over here straight to business. So we got number 2. It's still early. It's not even 9 o'clock. So let's keep it going. One more and then fish on. Got our 3rd redfish. The damn camera, the camera died, so we got the head cam now facing the sun, so it's very, very bright and probably it's hard to see unless this redfish will, or this fish, it feels like a redfish by the way, I'm assuming this is a redfish, turn us around and so we can see better. Yep, this guy's heavy, boys, very heavy. Good run, good run, good run. Making all kind of boil in the water. Oh yeah, that's gotta be a nice one. Ooh, yeah, this is a nice redfish. I can't horse this one down. Way up there. There it is. Come on, buddy. Hopefully if I land this, it'll be my 3rd one. A quick limit. In and out. Oh yeah, this one got good back on him. Look at that. Oh, he's barely hooked too, guys. It's right there by the lip. Alright, let's get him in the net real quick before he gets off. Yep, got him. Got him. He's drumming. He's drumming. Here we go. Get this hook out real quick before it gets all caught up on the net. Hook is out. I don't know if you can hear him. He is drumming. There it is. Our 3rd redfish. Let's measure this guy. See how long. Make sure it's a slot. It's a 23-inch red. There we go. 23-inch red, boys. Look at all that color on that fin, nice and blue. His tail is kind of white though, but anyways, I think we're done. Within what, 30 minutes we got our third redfish, third slot. It's time to move on. It's another good day, boys. Another good day. Look at that. I just saw a fish jumped out the water over there chasing some small little mullet, I'm assuming. But anyways, 3 redfish. Time to go home. Once again, boys, thanks for watching. Until next time, peace out.